What is up, guys? What is going on? Man, it's been a minute since I've talked to you guys. I've just been busy doing my thing. Haven't really had a chance to upload or even work on my car. But today, it's been on the jack since forever. Today, I'm starting to work on it. So what we're doing right now is taking off the test pipes because I have to smog this thing. I also got to change a few sensors and an O2 sensor. So I'm getting some check engine light codes. But right now, here's the cats on. I got one test pipe off. Got the sensor off that test pipe. And I got that side to do. And we can throw the cats on. Right now, all this old hardware I have for the cats is rusted. So the threads are messed up, so hopefully this coke right here gets all that rust out. You see those videos. But yeah, so that's where we're at today. Once I get my car smogged and road legal again, I got 2 boxes of parts right here. As you can see, one's a sickie. This one is not sickie, but it's related. So yeah, as soon as we finish getting that smogged, we'll be doing another install on the Z and hopefully be going out to a drift event next month. Got these tires that are burnt down. We got some used tires that are still in good condition that I can mount for the next event. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, got the cat on this side. On this side I gotta go get a gasket for here that connects to the Y pipe. Got the O2 sensor on for the cat. And then I got the new sensor installed up there, you can't see it, that I was getting a code thrown for. So yeah, let's do this side now. Both catalytic converters are back on. Now it's time to lower the car. And she is on the ground now. It's been weeks since I saw her not on the jack stands. But for today, we got the cats off. The test pipes off. The hardest part about these is this bolt is next to the firewall. So there's probably like this much room. Same thing with the one on this side. So there's not a lot of room to get a socket in there or even a wrench. So these are the 2 hardest ones. But tomorrow, I'll be putting new spark plugs in, as well as camshaft position sensors, and hopefully that gets rid of all my check engine light codes, and then we'll take this thing to get smogged. Alright guys, today is the next day. Right now I'm in the process of replacing the spark plugs. I was going to start with the camshaft position sensors, but I did notice some wires were messed up. Like, it looked like they had the previous owner had like ripped the wires by accident or something. So I think before I replace the sensors, I'm just gonna check the wires, fix them, drive the car. If the check engine light comes back on, then I will eventually replace the sensors. But here, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So right in here, hopefully this camera will focus. So this is the camshaft position sensor. There's two of them, one here, one there, because this is a dual overhead cam. So there's 4 total sensors on these cars. So the wires come up here and they go under the plenum, but I unwrapped these two because they had like duct tape on them. So somebody else had already done like a hack job on this. And then this one I noticed was really loose, so I gotta connect that back over here. And just put electrical tape for now. Hopefully eventually I could solder this. So far I got these spark plugs done on this side, these 3. There they are. Now you can't really see it on camera, maybe you can, but these look like they're like oily. But basically what happened was about like 2 months ago, it was raining pretty bad. I drove through a big puddle of water and my engine hydrolocked. I took it to a mechanic. He removed the spark plugs, got all the water out. The car runs, but I mean there was water in the cylinder heads, so hopefully that didn't cause no like long-term harm to the engine. But yeah, that's one of the reasons why I'm changing the spark plugs too, because there was water in the cylinders. So but yeah, right now I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I haven't been vlogging much of this, but I got everything put back together. Spark plugs back on, fix that wire temporarily until I can solder it. Intake's back on. Airflow sensors back on. Let's see if this thing starts. Oh man. Alright guys, she is back. I'm letting this thing get up to temp real quick. Then we'll go take it for a spin. It's been a few months since I've driven this thing, so fingers crossed everything works out. After this, I'm gonna plug in the code scanner, see what that service engine student light is about. I already know what those ABS and brake lights are about, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see you guys in a bit. Alright you guys, everything is running good. Honestly though, I really miss the sound with those test pipes. This sounds like a beast with test pipes. Right now, this thing is tamed, man. I'll do a little pull for you guys. This thing is way tame. Now I'm debating whether I should put those test pipes back on, man. We'll see, we'll see. So the codes for the cats and the O2 sensor are gone, but now I got all kinds of codes for the throttle body. So I did clean those. Throttle pedal position, generic air intake sensor, camshaft position. Damn. Well, what can I do? I'm gonna erase all these, drive it, and see which codes come back on. Alright you guys, so I drove the car after resetting the codes and changing those things, I just plugged in the code scanner, but I already erased the codes. I got a code for the O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 1, which I replaced. It's brand new. I don't know if it's because of the brand I'm getting, because honestly I had the same problem with the Bosch brand one that I had before, which is the reason why I'm replacing it now. So erase that code. All the other codes that were previous are gone now, and then the speed sensor code is still there because I had the ABS unit unplugged for the hydro, so I'm pretty sure that's why the speed sensor is not working. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't want to keep going on day by day. It's nice to make a video just one day, and this already turned into a 2-day video. So like I said, I'm gonna end it here. Stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully my car passes smog. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Peace. See you guys next time.